Hey guys, the Plaza Finance testnet is live. So today I'll be showing you how to interact with the Plaza Finance testnet and earn your Plaza Points. So the first thing to do is to visit the link in the description. Once you open the link, it will look like this, and the next thing to do is to connect your wallet. So click connect, select the wallet of your choice. I'll be using Rappi wallet. Accept the connection request in your wallet, and now I'm connected to the Plaza testnet. This testnet is on base Sequoia, so you'll be needing base Sequoia Earth to pay for gas fee. If you don't have base Sequoia Earth, follow the link in the description and you'll see several processes for claiming base Sequoia Earth. You can also use the super bridge and bridge the GG to bridge your Earth from several testnets to base Sequoia. The next thing to do is to claim your Plaza test token. To do that, click on Get Test Tokens. To claim the Plaza test tokens, you need to have at least $1 worth of mainnet ETH on Arbitrum, Ethereum, or Base. So as you can see here with this account, I can't claim the Plaza test tokens because my wallet doesn't have $1 worth of ETH on any of these mainnets. So make sure you have at least $1 worth of ETH on any of these mainnets to claim the Plaza test tokens. Without the Plaza test tokens, you won't be able to interact with this testnet. I've already claimed my test tokens the last 24 hours, but if you haven't claimed, click Get Test Token to claim your token. The interaction on the testnet involves creating bond and leverage tokens and redeeming them. So to create a bond token, scroll down and click Discover here. You can also access this page by clicking on the End menu. Right now you see the available bond. There's only one available bond, so in the future there will be more than this. So select the bond of your choice and click buy. Enter the amount of WSTF you would like to use for this trade. Click buy. Accept the approval request in your wallet, and now you've created bond tokens. So let's go back to the home page. Another thing you can do is to create leverage tokens. So to create leverage tokens, scroll to the leverage token section and click Discover. You can also access this page by clicking on the leverage menu. Select any of the available leverages. Right now there's only one available, but there might be more in the future. Click buy. Enter the amount of WSTF you would like to use for this trade. Click buy. Accept the approval request in your wallet. And now you've created a leverage token. You can also manage your portfolio. To do that, click on Go to Portfolio. You can also click on the Portfolio menu to visit your portfolio. So here you see your bond and leverage tokens. So in your portfolio, you can decide to buy more or redeem your tokens. To redeem your tokens, click Withdraw. Enter the amount of bond ETH you would like to redeem. Click Withdraw and accept the request in your wallet. And now your redemption is complete. So I'll go back to Portfolio. I want to redeem the leverage token. So I click Withdraw. I enter the amount of the leverage token I want to redeem. I click Withdraw. I accept the approval request in my wallet, and my redemption is complete. Creating bond and leverage tokens and redeeming them earns you points on the Plaza testnet. So I'll go back to my home page. To learn more about the point system, click on this card and it will take you to the points overview page. So here you can see all the actions that earn you points. Right now you can earn up to 8 points per day for creating bond or leverage tokens, and up to 8 points per day for redeeming those tokens. You can earn a permanent multiplier on your points by claiming your guide rules. To do that, visit the Plaza.finance guide. You'll find the link in the description. Click Join Guide and accept the approval request in your wallet. The first multiplier requires you to join the Plaza Discord and verify your account. You can find the link to the Discord on the menu. Click on this hamburger icon and click Discord, and it will take you to the Discord. Once you join, make sure to verify your account. So once you've done that, click Reveal Secret and you'll get your multiplier. The next one requires you to follow Plaza on Twitter. Follow them and click Reveal Secret to get your multiplier. And this requires you to connect your email address and sign up for marketing emails. Once you do that, click Reveal Secret and get your points. I have completed my task, so it shows here that I have access. It doesn't show like this. You will see a refresh button here, so click on the button and it will check if you've met the requirements to claim the guide rules. You can also earn points by being active in the Plaza Finance Discord. As you can see here, there are several activities that will earn you points from participating in games, contests, winning contests, and quests. So that's it about the Plaza Finance testnet for now. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Plaza Finance testnet updates, crypto airdrops, tips, and tutorials. If you haven't joined the Center Testnet, check out the video at the top of your screen to help you get started. There are lots of other testnets you can join. Follow the link in the description to get started with this testnet. XENEA launched their airdrop campaign. If you haven't joined, sign up using the link in the description and start claiming your gems every day. Don't forget, we are still in the season of Telegram airdrops, so check out the bonus section of this video description and sign up on some of the hottest Telegram airdrops today. So keep claiming your Plaza Points daily. Stay safe. Now see you in the next video.